I'm replacing the drive throttle on this Craftsman lawnmower. This is the part that was ordered off Sears website. You have to get it off of Sears. It cannot be bought in anywhere else like eBay, because all lawnmowers have a different size throttle cord. And the reason the old one broke, it just snapped the metal piece, and because of the way this is built, you cannot make it, because I already tried that, because it has these pieces. You have to have a machine to put those on, so it's better just to buy it new for it to be the perfect size. Now the old one, the metal was rubbing up against this part. This is why it broke. You can see it's like jagged here, because for years that's where the cable's been going, but it was actually supposed to go down inside here. So I'm going to replace that the right way. The other guys, the manufacturer put it in where it was going down through here, and that's why it eventually snapped from rubbing up against that metal. This thing, if you look carefully, it actually has a 90-degree angle for this thing to slide on. There's actually a little wheel in there to help it along, for there's no tension. So I'm just going to put it down through the hole the proper way. And then this piece goes there and snaps in. It won't come out again unless you squeeze underneath. And the lawnmower, I have it up on bricks for I can kind of see what's going on underneath there. Now I'm gonna get underneath. Here's the old one. You see, I tried to make one. Didn't really work out too good. Now underneath here, this is the gearbox for the front wheels. And there's a small slot right in here. The end of this is going to go inside of that hole. And once that's done, I just got to put a little tension on the cable and it'll pull it tight and it won't come out again. Okay, here it is, in that small hole there. If you see my previous video, I had to replace the wheels too. Okay, that's all done. And actually, if you look inside there, I'm not the one who did this. They actually pre-greased it in there to help it for it won't snap. But it goes the right way instead of going here. That's now set. I put it through this hole. And to get the old one off, I had to cut a zip tie. And I'm just going to put a new zip tie. That's for the brake throttle and the drive throttle will both go through there. The new piece from Sears did come with 2 of these. I'm just going to snap that. And if need be, I can put more in other spots. Okay, it continues up to here. There's going to be a nut and bolt. Take the nut off. And the side has an adjustment depending on how you want it hooked up. You're going to have to play around with that for a little while. I had that on backwards there. And whatever one puts a good amount of tension on the front, because you want the red bar to be able to close all the way without too much tension where it would snap. So okay, that's on. Now looking up front. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna put it down here. The one it's on right now is littlest tension that there can be, and that is fine. The other ones don't need to be done, so now I'm going to take a little wrench and tighten that down. And you can see what it's doing up front. When you pull that red bar or close it, it moves the pulley forward, putting tension on the belt, and then it engages. I like this kind of lawnmower because it's the only kind where you can disengage it like this without shutting the engine on and then off. Thanks for watching. This part from Sears Part Center cost $39 with free shipping. And just for you can see the model number of what this lawnmower is. Let me show that. Here it is. Model 917.376460. I'm just covering up the serial number.